Welcome everyone to Jury Rig Garage.
This is my new, brand spanking new 1998 Camaro V6 base model with a manual T5 transmission.
I don't think you're qualified to own this. Where's your mullet?
Don't got one yet. We got a wife beater.
Well, we got a wife beater over here. He's the most qualified to drive it right now.
Yep. All right, guys. All right, guys. Well, we're basically a channel that are just gonna be doing a bunch of cheap car shit. We're
not cheap. So us four, we're just guys who do stuff out of the garage.
We're all fucking broke.
Not true. I just bought this. Now, well, yes.
Now you're
broke.
broke.
I'm broke. Now I'm broke. I got a good deal on it though.
Yep. So we're just gonna be doing some fun car stuff. Tristan here's got a lot of experience with the 3.8, so we're gonna be doing some cool stuff with it.
Yeah, that's my 2000 Pontiac Bonneville SSEI. It's got the basically exact same. All right, it's basically got the exact same motor as the Camaro, except this is supercharged. And soon, tomorrow actually, we're picking up an L67 for 150 bucks, and that's what it looks like. Of course, it's nasty front wheel drive, which of course sucks. Get a look at this of the intercooler. It looks so pretty.
Yep.
So basically, we're gonna be doing the exact same thing.
But in a rear-wheel drive
platform. In a rear-wheel drive platform, because this thing, as fast as I've gotten it so far, is a 13.7, and I know if with the exact same amount of mods to a rear-wheel drive platform with fat tires, it will get low 13s. So
maybe even high 12s.
Or high 12s. Yeah. It's not the front-wheel drive is not a good platform for anything performance really. So so that's why we kind of wanted to do this, because it was going to be a group project. These engines are really cheap to build, and they've got a lot of fucking aftermarket parts for them. So really cheap aftermarket parts. So yep. This is going to be our first group project, but of course,
like these headlights that fall in.
Oh yeah, that's a project in itself. Don't show them that. That's
right.
our secret.
You see that, folks?
No, that's our secret.
This is some shit you don't even want to see.
All right, guys. Well, stay tuned. We're gonna show you clips of us picking up this Camaro.
By the way, check out our Instagram. You can see Vince's Trans Am. You can see Isaiah's Infinity, my Bonneville, and soon Camaro, and
my
Davis's Mustang.
So.
And the Hemi Killer eventually.
And the Hemi Killer eventually. We got another project coming. I will tell you about that later. So enjoy the clips. We are on our way to go pick up
Camaro
project car.
Project Camaro. Project Bullet.
I was gonna say Project F.
Project F.
Tristan broke.
Project Tristan broke.
Tristan wallet.
What?
So
Tristan's wallet.
We're heading up to Scappoose, Oregon to go pick up this manual transmission Camaro. And what's the plan for this Camaro?
To build it. So basically, it's got the naturally aspirated V6, and it's basically the same. It's the L36, which is practically the same engine as in my 2000 Pontiac Bonneville SSEI.
That's what we're driving right now.
Which is what we're driving right now, except this one came with a supercharger and different heads. And so I have already lined up a complete 80K 1,000-mile motor that we're going to swap into it, because there's no sense in just changing the heads when we can just change the whole motor.
It's just a lot easier to swap the motor.
A lot easier, and so we can build the motor before we even put the car in, or put the motor in the car. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna try and do it before race season this year, because it's January, so we still got some time. The plan after that is to rebuild it after race season completely, and probably turbo it, and do everything I can't afford to do now.
Basically, we just want to make it faster than LS engines. We feel like the LS engine's a bit overdone.
True.
Building a really fast V6 would be pretty fun. So, and it's really cheap, and a lot of people can do it. All right, well, we still got a little bit of a drive ahead of us, so we'll see you then.
So far.
There's your own creep.
We're paying the guy for the car.
We're on our way to kill this asshole and take
we're on the way to go get the title because the guy fucked it up.
Yeah, he forgot the title at his house. He brought the wrong
almost
one.
signed me the title to his truck in the bank.
2 for 1
And then
deal.
I'm like, wait a minute, it's a 92? I thought it was a 98. He's like, no, it's 98. I'm like, it says 92 right there. And I'm like, wait a minute, it says Ford right there. What's going on? And he's like, oh shit, that's my truck.
So we might be going to get murdered, or we might be going to get a Camaro.
But there's one positive out of this, is that the title that he brought for some reason said reconstructed,
Which he said it was clean on Craigslist.
but now it's confirmed that the title is going to be clean. So that's actually a
Well,
good
we don't know that yet. We'll see.
Because
What it is.
he looked at the title and he's like, oh, it's branded. I thought it was, or it's rebuilt. I thought it was clean. And I'm like, huh, that's interesting. So we're gonna go back to his place. I'm gonna give him the cash. Gonna give him the cash again, and then he's gonna sign me the title. Hopefully the right one this time.
And then he's gonna murder us and take both cars.
Yeah, either we're going to get the car or we're going to get murdered. One of the two.
Or we'll murder them.
We're not doing that. We're not.
Basically a win-win.
Yeah.
We're not murdering them.
We could leave with so many cars.
I mean, we could.
We're
out in the middle of nowhere,
What kind of truck
so-
did he have? What was that title
That's
for?
for us, not the video, not the YouTube channel.
One Ford pickup.
That's for
was
a
it?
different
Wait,
YouTube channel.
I'll edit that out. I'll just edit that part out.
No, it's okay. Killing them is for the other YouTube channel.
All right. Well, we will see you once we got it.
It's for Lively.
So we just picked up the car.
Here, look
we
at
got
that.
the title. The guys are behind us. Davis and Vince. So
Because
we're gonna
I can't drive a manual yet.
Yeah, Davis unfortunately is the only one that can drive manual right now. But so we got about a 45 to 50 minute drive till we get back to the spot where we're gonna test it back in Vancouver.
45 miles, pretty much.
Yeah, we're gonna burn through some gas.
And some tires once we get there.
Yeah, well, we'll need to get some new tires on those because those are almost fucking bald.
Are they 215s?
I didn't check.
Oh fuck, we didn't air up the tire.
I think we'll be okay. It's only the rear, and unless they're hearing a noise, then we should be okay.
All right.
So they're the guys behind us. We'll go ahead and continue this video when we get back to Vancouver.
See you guys.
Davis, come look at the PSI. Holy shit.
Dude, I drove like 30 miles home on that. 10 PSI.
Dude, wait here an hour for this
Dude,
compressor.
we did have some pretty freaking real pulls, and I'm telling you what.
And I'm telling you what, you sound like my dad.
Are you able to turn the compressor on yet?
It's on.
Around 2K. Okay, around 2K. So, lay out the clutch a little bit. Oh, no worries.
Already killed it.
Okay, that's one.
No worries. Reset.
Stop laughing at me, please.
I'm not. Dude, I was really bad too, so don't worry about it.
Yeah, I got this. Okay, so.
Huh?
Might want to back up just a tad.
Maybe.
Just for safety.
As you're adding it, you'll feel it. Keep the clutch in. You can feel the clutch. You feel it. So just wait for it to catch, and then once you feel it catch, you can let off the clutch hold.
Oh, there we go.
That's a good boy. At least you get out of the way.
God, now we should back the fuck up. Okay, he's not going to
Over rev, that's okay.
He was slowing the clutch there.
Hey, he's doing better than me. I've never put a fucking manual in second. That was really good. Holy